So you all know what Gurdwara is,
Yeah.
right? So can you explain this to Sangat?
A Gurdwara is where Guruji resides and where Sangat gathers together.
When you have a fortress, you automatically establish a kingdom. So the idea was that wherever there was a Gurdwara, the Sikhs have established their own kingdom.
Now Gurdwara became a place to meet Guru Sahib, a place to gain education, and then a place to gain physical fitness as well. And then later on, medical facilities were also added to that. So when we say Gurdwara, it is not just another temple. It is a place where you are transformed from a normal human being to a saint soldier.
So it's important that we understand the significance behind our Gurdwara, and also we understand that if our Gurdwara are not teaching us these kind of things, then maybe we are partially lacking things in our Gurdwara.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ ਆਪ ਸਭ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿਡਸ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਅਸੀਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ-ਬਹੁਤ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਐਂਡ ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ ਐਂਡ ਆਈ ਹੋਪ that kids are also enjoying these episodes. We are just bringing whatever we can to cater to the needs of our kids and tell them what Sikhi is, educate them. Or I really hope ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਨਾਲ ਬਿਠਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਹੋਵੋਗੇ ਐਂਡ ਆਈ ਬਿਫੋਰ ਆਈ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਦਿਸ ਐਪੀਸੋਡ may I please request the kids to send us their questions, whatever they want to ask. If they have any questions regarding Sikhi or the Gurdwara or anything, they are free to send us their questions. So please kids, do send us your questions so that we can address those questions. And if you want to participate in this show, do contact Akal channel and we will definitely welcome you here, and then we can discuss your questions. Whatever you want to ask, we will definitely cater to the needs.
So yep, definitely it's really important whenever we start talking about our Sikh history, our Sikh philosophy, our Sikh ideology, it's very, very important that we try and educate our kids as far as possible. Unfortunately, during these times, our education has been extremely limited. For kids like me who've grown up in the UK and for kids in general, we've lacked a certain education system to educate our kids around Sikhism, not just about our general education that we go about in schools. So it's important that shows like this continue, and it's important that obviously kids actually watch this show as well. So any parents watching, please ensure that your kids tune in as well along with us. If your children have any questions that they would like to raise with us as well, any questions that they want to know more about, anything that they might have experienced in school, anything that they might have been asked by someone else, please, for it's very, very important, send us those questions, let us know what those questions are, and if any children want to participate, if any children want to come onto this program, onto Akal channel and join us in this program, then by all means contact Akal channel. The number is 0121 551 1001. Contact Akal channel, and we can definitely arrange for you to come onto this show and join in with us.
So kids, we do have your friends sitting with us, so let's just welcome all our guests.
वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह। मेरा नाम ब्रूनो सिंह है, मेरी उम्र 10 साल दी है, मेरा स्कूल एनी लैनर्ड है, मेरा शहर बर्मिंघम है।
वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह। मेरा नाम बावलीन को हैगा है, मैं 8 हाँ ते नाले मैं ये 3 विच हैगी हाँ।
Good.
वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह। मेरा नाम अनुजा कौर बबली है, मैं 7 साल दी हूँ, मैं A2 विच हूँ।
So I welcome you all, 3 of you, to this show. Okay. Today we'll be just discussing about certain good things about our Sikhi. All right. So shall I start by asking you that do you know Mool Mantar?
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful. So okay. Can I request you 3 to speak Mool Mantar together? Is it possible for you?
Yeah.
3.
Go for it, guys.
Okay, so just join your hands in respect, because whenever we say Bani, we need to join our hands, okay? Yes, so...
वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह।
एक ओमकार सतनाम करता पुरख निरभਉ निरवैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद जाप आद सच जुगाद सच हैप्पी सच नानक होसी भी सच.
Now, I can see that you all know Gurbani, you all know Path, okay? And how many times in a day do you recite the prayer? Do you do
Do you guys
Part.
try and do part
every day?
every day?
Yeah, I try and do it every time I walk to school or come back.
Oh, wonderful. And you, darling?
I do it at the morning. I do Japji Sahib at the morning and Rahra Sahib at the afternoon.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Good.
Bruno?
What about you?
I usually do Mool Mantra when I go to school. Only on the days when I go to school, like mostly. Rarely I do it in the daytime, but then at night I do it. I say Waheguru like every day
Oh, that's good. And
with my brother and sister.
that's really good. And how many times do you visit Gurdwara?
I visited the Gurdwara in a day, like once in a day, because sometimes my parents have to go to work and they don't really have time.
That's okay. Yeah.
I
understand.
visited the Gurdwara one time.
And you, Bruno?
I went to Gurdwara several times, but I don't really go like once a week. You could say maybe once or twice or 3 times, maybe a month.
Oh, that's okay. So you all know what Gurdwara is,
Yeah.
right? So can you explain this to Sangat?
A Gurdwara is where Guruji resides and where Sangat gathers together.
And Gurdwara is where we matha take Guru Granth Sahib Ji.
Bruno?
Gurdwara in Punjabi, Gurdwara means door to Guru, because basically you get to see Guruji there, and you get to pray, do matajak and eat langar.
Good.
Oh, that's brilliant. So you know what Gurdwara is, and why do we go to Gurdwara? We go to Gurdwara for Matha Tek, and then we go to Gurdwara for meeting the Sangat, right? And then we go to Gurdwara for so many other things like langar and all. Now, but we need to think about Gurdwara from our Guru's perspective, okay? That why did Guru Sahib first thought of making some place called Gurdwara? Was it Guruji's concept or it came afterwards? So we need to think about it, okay? Are you understanding me? So when we say Gurdwara, so we will need to know that what Guru Nanak Patsha said. Now Guru Nanak Patsha was the first Guru, of course, who installed a place called Kartarpur Sahib where people used to come and see him. So that was the first concept of Gurdwara. Alright? And after that, now Guru Angad Dev Ji, what he did, he started with the Gurmukhi script, the Lippi. Okay? You know, you all go to Punjabi school, I suppose?
Yeah.
Do you
Not me.
know you? Okay, you will start going then afterwards. But then the Punjabi language, Guru Angad Dev Maharaj, he sorted it out, presented it in a form which is now available to us, and he started schools along with the Gurdwara, along with the place where Sangat can go to meet Guru Sahib. Okay, so that was a school as well. So Gurdwara is a place to meet Sangat and Guru Sahibs, obviously. Secondly, Gurdwara is a place to gain education as well. That is how Guru Angad Dev Maharaj transformed it. And then he started Mal Akhada. What? Mal Akhada. Say it with me. Mal
Akhada.
Say it with me, Sangat ji. Mal Akhada. Guru Angad Dev Maharaj started Mal Akhada. What is Mal Akhada? There, all the Sangat was given a chance to physical fitness. So it was a kind of, have you heard about Kushti or the wrestling otherwise? Wrestling is a game where you are made physically strong.
Not WWE style
Yeah,
wrestling.
not WWE.
Yeah.
Obviously not.
No,
okay?
not that kind of wrestling either.
It's Punjabi Kushti. Okay. So today when you go home, just ask your parents, what is Kushti? What is Kushti?
Can you say it, Bruno? What's
Kushti.
Kushti, I don't know.
Kushti?
Yeah,
No.
you just ask your parents.
Ask your parents.
Okay, so and they will probably be able to show you some videos. Okay, so Guru Angad Dev Maharaj started that as well. Now Gurdwara became a place to meet Guru Sahib or Matha Tek, as you say, a place to gain education, all right, and then a place to gain physical fitness as well, right, and then later on medical facilities were also added to that. So when we say Gurdwara, it is not just another temple. Okay, it is a place where you are transformed from a normal human being to a saint soldier. Okay, so just say it with me. We are transformed to a saint soldier.
Soldier.
What?
We are
Saint soldiers. Again,
saint soldiers.
you also Sangatji. We are transformed to saint soldiers. Now, when we say saint soldiers, what do we mean by that? What is a saint? Yes,
It's a person who is really connected with God.
exactly. And who is a soldier?
A person who goes out to battle.
warrior.
A warrior. So a person who is connected with God but still a warrior. Now just imagine if every soldier on this earth was connected to God, so that means the person knows that what is good and what is bad, what is right and what is wrong. Okay? And that is when a saint soldier concept comes in. So Gurdwara is not just a place to go and matha take or to go and take langar. It is a place to dismantle all the categories. Caste, there's no caste, there is no gender, nothing. We all are equal and we all need to be saint soldiers. Okay? Okay, Bruno? Rajbir?
So that's definitely one aspect of looking at a Gurdwara. So your Gurdwara is obviously a place of, it's not just a place of worship, right? Obviously, I'm sure you guys have started learning about Sikhism in schools as well, right? They do like RE sessions with you in school. The one thing they'll tell you is that a Gurdwara is a place of worship. It's not a place of worship, because a place of worship is solely based on worshipping, right? So like a mandir, mosque, church, solely based on just remembering God in their own ways. However, when you have a Gurdwara doesn't look like a place of worship, because a Gurdwara looks more like a fortress. You guys know what a fortress is, yeah?
It's a fort.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the short way of saying
Right?
it.
Like a
You don't
fort.
know?
Not
Ask
a
him.
fort is? Do you know what a fort is? No? Okay. So a fort is, if you guys, well, you guys would have never gone into battle, but when kings used to go into battle, right, they used to have like a base almost, right? So a place where the king would stay, right? And the king would stay in this certain place, and all the other warriors would go out to fight.
Exactly.
You guys have all seen Char Sahibzade, right? So in Char Sahibzade, there is a point where the Sikhs are standing in a fort on top of a hill,
Chamkaur.
Chamkaur, right? And then the Mughals are standing outside.
And there's 1 million
And
of
that-
the Mughals.
Yep, right. So the Mughals
And
are
there's only about 40 and something Sikhs.
42, yes. So there's Sikhs standing inside a building,
He's explaining.
right? There's Sikhs standing inside a building, and there's Mughals standing outside. So Gurdwara wasn't just a place of learning. It was also a fortress in a sense, because your fortress, when you have a fortress, you automatically establish a kingdom. So the idea was that wherever there was a Gurdwara, the Sikhs have established their own kingdom. So from there, the Sikhs would then continuously spend their time, obviously, learning Gurbani, learning their history, learning, world history, learning, worldly knowledge, and learning how to fight at the same time. So the idea was, you would develop the character of your saint soldier to a point where that Gurdwara was now a kingdom. So that was the idea behind the Gurdwara system.
Okay, so now you understood. So it's not, whenever somebody asks you what is a Gurdwara, it is a fort of our Guru. okay, a place where he sits, and then he transform us all into a saint soldiers. And if we are not transformed into a saint soldier, that means we are lacking somewhere. Okay, that means we are not giving full a full respect to our Gurdwara. That means our Gurdwaras are lacking somewhere if they are not able to transform us. So next time, whenever you go to a Gurdwara, see if you, whenever you go to the hall or where Guru Sahib is installed, right, where he is sitting. So when you go and matha take, always remember that he is your Guru and he says you that you need to be a saint soldier. Okay, we are not just simple worshippers. Sikhs are not just simple worshippers. Okay, do you understand or not?
Do you understand?
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so whenever we go to a Gurdwara, we always need to remember this, that we are going there to transform ourselves from normal human beings to
Saint soldiers.
Once again, to saint soldiers. Okay, so that is the concept of Gurdwara.
So Sangat ji, that was today's episode. It's really important that obviously we understand what a Gurdwara is. It's not just a place of worship. Obviously, it's a fort for where we are then transformed into saint soldiers. So it's important that we understand the significance behind our Gurdwara, and also we understand that if our Gurdwara are not teaching us these kind of things, then maybe we are partially lacking things in our Gurdwara. So yep.
And Sangat ji, we all need to keep this thing in our mind, because sanu Guru ji ne kiha ya कि सिੱਖੀ ਦੇ ਮਹਿਲ ਉਸਾਰਨੇ ਆ ਇਹ ਛੋਟੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਮਹਿਲ ਆ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਦੇ ਮਹਿਲ ਆ ਹੋਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੋਰ ਵੱਡੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹ ਬਾਕੀ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਦੈਟਸ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਪਰ ਉਹ ਇੰਨਾ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਇਹ ਮਹਿਲ ਉਸਾਰਨੇ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਆ ਸੋ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸੰਗਤ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੈਰੈਂਟਸ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਿਆਂ 'ਚ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਕਰੋ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਕ ਵਿਦਿਆਲੇ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਕ ਦਵਾਖਾਨਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਮੱਲ ਅਖਾੜੇ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆ ਸੋ ਵੀ ਨੀਡ ਟੂ ਗਿਵ ਆਰ ਚਿਲਡਰਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜੋ ਡਿਜ਼ਰਵ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਜੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਨੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ ਇੰਨੀਆਂ ਬੇਨਤੀਆਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਐਪੀਸੋਡ ਆ ਜੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਸਮਾਪਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜੀ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਅਗਲੇ ਐਪੀਸੋਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਰ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ
ਅਕਾਲ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ ਨਵੀਂ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਦੀ ਨੋਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਬੈਲ ਆਈਕਨ ਨੂੰ ਕਲਿੱਕ ਕਰਨਾ ਨਾ ਭੁੱਲਣਾ